I don't know if you ever heard of this or not, but I've heard of it, and I'll tell you what. Let me put this in a little verse and see if you can read between the lines. Dun, 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 dun. Got on board a westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. Oh, that talk of opportunities, TV breaks and movies rang true, sure rang true. Seems it never rains in Southern California. Seems I often heard that kind talk before. What happened? You know what? I think it is raining right now, the here and now in Southern California. Because all the electricity went out, the music went out, and now I'm about to go out. So, what can I say other than it does rain in Southern California? So I gotta leave this place. So somebody, please take me from here. I'll make you happy. Just wait and see. Ciao.